Hello, how are you today? My name is Carlos and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how you can upgrade your a7iii camera firmware to the new update 3.0. So let's start. One of the things you have to know is that you have to download a tiny program. I'm going to leave a link in the description, one for Mac, one for PC user. So just make sure to select the one that is for you. When you click in the link, it's going to take you to the Sony webpage and you have to create an account if you haven't done it. It takes a few seconds, it's really easy, and it will allow you to download a tiny program. If you're using a PC, you're going to have to extract the file. If you're using a Mac, you just press the file and it will start this tiny program. One of the things that you have to do first is take the memory card of your camera and connect your camera into your computer, and it has to be on. The camera has to be on so it can communicate to the computer. If you're having some problem connecting to the computer, if you haven't touched some of the settings of your camera, usually you are already set on the mass storage option, which allows your camera to communicate with your computer. If not, you can just go into the menu and change that option. You're going to see that when you open the program, the tiny program that you download, it will search and see if the camera is connected. If it is not connected, it will tell you a message that it's not connected, and you can do things to make sure it's communicating right. One of the things is that I saw some people commenting that the only thing that you can use is the multi-port cable. I used that. I don't know if it was the cable or because I'm using a PC, but the important thing is that it didn't work, so I used the USB-C cable to be able to connect my camera into my computer, and it worked perfectly. So if you're having some issues, you can try that. When it's connected, the only thing you have to follow is the instruction on this tiny program that you're gonna see, and just wait. Just wait. You're gonna see how it's gonna be downloading, and the back of the camera is gonna turn on and off. And when it's done, you're gonna see a screen that's gonna say mass storage. And on your computer, you're gonna see that the tiny program has a button that says finish. You just press it, it will close the program, and you are set to go. Like you can see, it was so simple, so easy to upgrade. Enjoy your Sony camera with the new features. And if you have any comments, any suggestions, please put it below. Subscribe and see you next time.